Anytime a school district does a bond measure and can come in on time and on budget, it just reinforces public trust. Beaverton has been fiscally responsible sort of across the board.
One of the unique things that we did here was bring on early trade partners, define efficiencies and ways to build the project that help save us money. We planned on starting at the most complicated area, which is the theater. Get into that space early, get all that work done on standard pay rates instead of working in a more compressed schedule and paying them to work a ton of overtime, which costs a lot extra to the project. The two biggest things we did was the prefabricated wall panels, building these wall panels off-site, so that was a huge one. Also doing the tilt panels, being able to build those on-site while we were doing the auditorium work, and then the quickness of being able to put those up and have that area assembled are two huge things. For instance, we did polished concrete floors versus VCT in most of the school.
This is a huge deal for these schools because what it does is it gives them a very good floor system that doesn't need much maintenance. This is a much better use of your money, and it gives you a very durable, very good looking finish.
Building public trust is really critical. Anytime you go out to the ballot to talk to the public, to get their support, it's a calculated risk. If you're thoughtful and careful and do the math, you're going to ask the public for the right amount of money, and you're going to estimate the right amount of time, and you're going to deliver on time. And I think Beaverton has done that. I think it's a good model for other districts to look at.
Make sure you have a good team. You can't do this work by yourself. You've got to be surrounded by experts and people that have the experience, and we really have that here.